So if your battery pack is losing capacity, you can try top balancing or bottom balancing your battery pack. Most BMS don't do a good job in balancing, so sometimes it's up to you to manually balance your pack. Technically, with top balancing or bottom balancing, you're supposed to have the batteries in parallel after the voltages are equalized, and you either discharge them to the lowest point, 0, or charge them to 100%. But with these battery packs, I already have a balancing board on them, and they're supposed to do some sort of balancing, but of course they never do a completely good job, and that's why now and then you have to bottom balance or top balance your battery packs again. And since I can't disassemble the battery packs, so you just do the next best thing by either bottom balancing, take them as far down as you can, or charge them back up to as much as you can. And sometimes when they're really out of balance, you can't charge them back up to 100%. But after a few times of charging and discharging, you can bring it back up to 100%. What's happening here is this battery pack is charging this power station. So this is discharging and this is charging. This is what is needed to keep your lithium batteries healthy so that they can retain their capacity. Same thing as what you would need to do in your electric vehicles. They have to be balanced, otherwise they lose capacity over time, and then they won't run anymore. Thanks. So in this 3-in-series battery pack, you can see the first 2 blocks have the same voltage, and then the third block is a little out of balance. So hopefully when I'm done balancing, all 3 of them will have, if not the same, very near voltages.